Alright, we're gonna do the first ever fishing trip with the tracker boat. And it's set up for fishing. Comes with this little kit here. They send all kind of, they didn't send the yums, but send all the different line and hook setups, so they don't leave you in the blind there to get started. Because of this little clip here that goes onto the boat. So we had a twisted up mess, and now we got us some wigglers, so we're gonna go with some live bait. And this is the pre-rigged card with the hook and cork, and then we can just take this swivel there. Looks like we can just clip it on. So we'll get this thing rigged up. All right, so we're gonna do a take 2 of this fishing thing on the fishing with the boat. I'm gonna call this the hitch portion. So put it on there like that. Spin it. And it's locked in place. Their rig was set up a little bit different, so I did some modifying. I put the swivel up here and hooked it on. Got about 4 feet a leader. A sliding slip cork. Put the hook on, and now we're gonna add a little split shot. All right, worm hooked on, ready to fish. Got us a wiggler, split shot, sliding cork, slip cork. All right, give it the gas. And we're off. You got one. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. You're on, go, go. Get him, son. Drive it over here. Come on. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Woo! Hold it up. See that big old brim. Man, look at that thing. Oh, isn't that sweet? There we go. Yep, wipe it on my jacket. There it is, first successful fish on the Tracker Bass Pro Shop Control Boat. What?
Whoever catches the fish first, it's a different people's turn.
That's right, now it's Kingston. Look at that brim, man. That's a nice one. It's a nice one, guy. Oh, it doesn't really want to run very well. I don't know if there's some sort of communication problems, but you can see here, pushing the remote, nothing happening. So, and then all of a sudden it'll start working again. So, not really sure what that's all about. We'll give her hell for as long as it'll work, I guess. But pretty neat little toy. Communication between the remote and the boat, or maybe it's just in the remote. I don't know. But we're gonna keep on grinding. I'll try to recover this boat and figure out if we can get it to go. It works where it wants to work.
Get them sync.
It looks like that's on.
The boat. Turn it off. And then sync back up.
See, now it's blinking.
There you go.
I think that did. I think it just got. Yep.
Huh?
For a second.
You go off. Back on. Yeah, all right. On. Hang off.
Pond fishing. What would pond fishing with a remote control boat be without a cool bush light? Oh, you just got the line in it. Don't, because you backed up. We got the line wrapped around the prop. Drive it over here. Drive it over here. Drive it. Steer it. You doing good? Oh, oh, he's going backwards in a hurry. Kingston, he's got to be able to see to drive. He's got it.
Come on.
It's still on.
That is a challenge. All right, trials and tribulations for the Bass Pro Shop. Y'all saw it. We were in the middle of the fight and it quit on us. Now we're getting drug across the pond.
Point it towards it.
Nothing happening on our end here.
And maybe
We're gonna hook it. We're gonna bring it in any which way we can. Coop got him a bass.
yes! I got it.
These things are a nice healthy shape. They don't have that big fat head on them like they get.
I know that. I caught it. I
I
caught
wanna
some and
get
took
it.
them out of here. But they're out there getting better.
Ah,
I've been trying to take care of them.
Combination effort from
Daddy!
the tracker boat, which
Daddy!
quit on us. Uncle Jim. Oh, Cooper threw it in already. Gonna do a double duty. If he can't catch him, he'll shoot him. That's the honey hole right there, son. Get him! Go, 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 go! Oh, he came off. Oh no, he's still on there. See if you can drive him over to the dock, King.
Where's the hook? Where'd the hook go?
It's right here. Yeah. So what we've noticed is that once the fish starts pulling on it, it doesn't have any chance to do any sort of turning. Because they quit working again.
I think he got
Oh, another bass. Pull in, King.
Got the little
Good. I'm glad to see that.
What was that, bass number 3? Hold it up. Hold it up, King.
No, bass number 2. I just saw the bass number 2.
All right, we're gonna see if we can get back on this boat. Not sure why we quit, why we continue to lose connection. I don't know if it's a signal or what the deal is, but we're gonna keep looking into this. just quit.
Daddy, it's a drum monster.
Alright, so here we are again with this thing not working. So it looks like we turn the remote off, turn the boat off, give it a second or two, turn it back on, turn that back on. Yep, looks like we got, so now it should work. So we're working on here. You know, the one thing that it could be is we've got a good bit of debris out here, and I'm wondering if it's not like that when the debris hits in the prop and stops the prop, that it's not stopping it.
Get there.
There's nothing there, and it just quit. So it'll just be going and then it stops. Nothing happening. So we gotta get a rod out, catch it, do it all again. Oh, we finally, and it just quit. God, dog. There's no more go-to. Well, I think I'm kind of done with this boat.
Yeah. Alright, buddy. Have a good one.
Turn the remote off. Turn the boat on. Turn the remote on. And there it goes. It's connected again. Not sure what's going on here. Is it worth $40? No. Is it worth $10? That's probably more appropriate. You get you a $10 remote control boat, and then a $10 rod and reel to cast out there and catch it and reel it back in when you're done. When it quits on you, that'd probably be a good way to spend your money there. Tracker boat.
It's out fishing the rod and reel for sure.
It does a good job. It catches some fish.